Hello there, my name is Phil from Change Tips and Tools, and I will be your trainer on this MS Project training course. Who am I? Well, you can probably tell from my sophisticated accent that I'm a born and bred Brummie who hails from Birmingham, England. My mother was a consultant and my father was a programmer. Put them together and you get me. I have worked in change for over 30 years now across multiple industries such as manufacturing, retail and financial services, to name but a few. But during this time, a major passion of mine is to invest in people and take any opportunity to share what I have learned during my time as a director and a senior change professional. The target audience for these videos are junior project managers and PMO analysts who wish to build their technical skills as change professionals, or indeed senior change professionals can certainly benefit who wish to brush up on theirs also, and maybe learn something new that will save them hours and hours of work going forwards. The style of these videos are walkthroughs, which the trainee is intended to follow in sequence, i.e. start from MS Project Training Video 1 first and so on, and follow those videos at their own pace and replicate the video activity on their own machine. I'm a firm believer that we learn better by actually doing. These videos are based on my own experiences as a change professional and how I found relevant tools from Microsoft useful during my day-to-day challenges working on or leading change initiatives. These series of videos will be on MS Project, and by the end you will be able to build a well-structured and fully resourced project plan within MS Project confidently, and then manage progress, slippage and change on a weekly basis while considering any organisation's specific governance needs. All you will need to follow along is MS Project 2016 or later. This course consists of 36 lessons across 11 training videos. I hope you enjoy and find these training videos both informative and value add in your respective careers.